Om Namah Shivaya. A warm good morning to all. How do you feel today? Are you okay there? Yes, very good. Let us begin our class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is the food we eat. The food we eat. As you know, food is one of our basic needs. Without food, we cannot live. Where do we get our food from? Can you say? Yes, from plants and animals. Of these, plants are the most important source of our food. Who prepare your food for you? Yes, I know your answers will be your mother. Your mother prepare your food for you. But did you ever think, where does mom get the food grains to prepare the food? Yes, the farmers grow food crops for us. From the field, how these food grains reach us in our home? That is a big journey. Let us go through the journey. Yes, okay children. The journey of the food grains starts from the field. The first is the preparation of the field. Look at here. Preparation of the field. There are two steps in the preparation of the field. One is plow the field. What is plowing? Loosen the soil. With the help of an oxen, the farmer plow the field. It will help the roots to grow deep into the soil. The second one is add manure and fertilizers into the soil in order to make the soil fertile. These are the two steps in the preparation of the field. Understood? So what are the two steps in the preparation of the field? Say. Yes, plow the field and add manure and fertilizers into the soil. Okay. All of you look at the picture. Can you say which are the two steps in the preparation of field? Yes, what is the first one? Plow the field. Then the next is adding manure and fertilizers into the soil. Okay. Next, sow the seeds. After the preparation of the field, the farmers select and sow good quality seeds. That is the next step, sowing the seeds. Then, after few days, small plants appear from the seeds. Once the plants grown, water it regularly. So, the farmers water the crops regularly. Then, and the farmers make sure that the crops are safe from pest and insect by spraying pesticides and insecticide. Okay. The crops grow in about 6 months. They are then ready to be cut. The cutting of the crops called harvesting. Harvesting is a new term, isn't it? So, what do you mean by harvesting? Yes, the cutting of crop is called harvesting. After the crop have been harvested, the grains are separated from the plants. This process is called threshing. Again a new term. Say all of you. Threshing. What is threshing? Separation of the grains from the plants. Okay. Then removing the husk is called winnowing. What is husk? The dry outer covering of the grain is husk. It has to be removed. All of you look at the picture. The first is threshing and the second one is winnowing. As the husk is very light in weight, it will move away. Then the grains will collect in the ground. Can you see this? So this is winnowing. Here we studied 3 new terms. Which are that? Harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Say all of you. Harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Okay. From the field, the grains are taken to the factories where it is cleaned and packed. The packets are labeled and they are sent to the wholesale market. A wholesale market is a big market and is known as mandi. What is mandi? A big market. Everything is available there. For example, food grains, fruits, vegetables, etc. Hundreds of people work in the mandi to load and unload the goods. From this market, the small shopkeepers buy the food grains, and from that shop, we get the grains. In this way, the grains reach in our home. Is it a big journey? Yes. Once again, I will tell you the important points of today's class. All of you listen. First is preparation of the field. There are two steps in the preparation of the field. First one is plow the field. The next is add manure and fertilizers into the soil. Then we studied three new terms in this portion. Of this first one, harvesting. What is harvesting? Cutting of the crop is called harvesting. Okay. Then next is threshing. What is threshing? Separation of the grains from the plants. That process is called threshing. Okay. Next one, winnowing. What is winnowing? Removing the husk from the grains. That process is called winnowing. So three terms we studied, that are harvesting, threshing and winnowing. And one more term is here, that is mandi. What do you mean by mandi? Mandi is a big wholesale market. A big market is known as mandi. Okay children, I hope that all of you understood this much. Now I am going to ask questions. Are you ready? Yes. Arjun, please tell, what are the two steps in the preparation of the field? Yes. Say loudly. Yes. Plow the field and add manure and fertilizers into the soil. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Give him a big clap. Okay. Next, Arohi, please tell, what is harvesting? Yes, harvesting is cutting off the crop. Okay, very good. Sit down. Then, Ishan, please tell, what is winnowing? What? Yes, removing the husk from the grains. That process is called winnowing. Okay, very good. Sit down. Next, Anika, what is threshing? The separation of food grains from the plants. That process is called threshing. Okay, very good Anika. Sit down. Then, Aina, can you say, what is mandi? Yes, mandi is a big wholesale market. Okay children, thank you very much. The important thing you have to keep in mind from this lesson is that always say thanks to the farmers. For what? Because for getting a handful of rice, how many people are struggling behind this? Did you know that? Of this, most memorable person is the farmer. We need to remember the hardship and difficulties of the farmer while eating our food. So, my dear children, you should never waste the food. We should thank the farmers for getting each grains of rice. They must be respected. So, thank you children. I hope that all you understood today's portion. Thank you very much. See you next class. Thank you.